Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the big scandal that almost ruined Bill Clinton's presidency and led to his impeachment. So let's start by writing down our essential question. What does it mean to impeach a president? Don't forget you can pause or rewind this video to catch anything you missed, and you can click on that closed captions button for subtitles if needed. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the Lewinsky affair, and this is the major scandal of Clinton's presidency. Then we'll define impeachment, and we will look at a more modern example of the Donald Trump impeachment. So who is Monica Lewinsky? Well, Miss Lewinsky worked as an intern in the White House. That's like kind of being an assistant. Interns do the things that need to get done to make the office work. They file paperwork, deliver messages, do research, get coffee, and lots more. Interns are usually young people who just finished up college and they're looking for a way into the industry. So it was eventually revealed that Bill Clinton and Monica Lewinsky had a sexual relationship, and yes, Clinton was married at this time. So besides cheating on his wife, he made a pretty big error. He lied about his relationship repeatedly. So we're going to watch now what is now a very famous clip of Clinton denying his affair.
I want you to listen to me. I'm going to
say this again. I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky. I never told anybody to lie, not a single time, never. These allegations are false, and I need to go back to work for the American people. Thank you.
Oof. So he gets caught in this lie, right? And historically, Americans do not like it when their president lies to them. But this is a lot more than just a morality issue. Clinton lied to Congress, and lying under oath is one of those offenses that is impeachable, meaning it is a reason Congress can use to try to force the president out of office. So the definition of impeachment is when the House of Representatives formally accuses the president of a crime. A big thing to note here. Impeachment doesn't straight up just kick the president out of office. There are a couple more steps for that to happen. Impeachment is just step number one. It says the House thinks a trial should be held to judge what consequences the president should face for his or her actions. We all should know that Clinton's crime here isn't the affair he had, although that's definitely not his best decision. His crime was lying under oath to Congress about his affair. So long-term, this scandal had a major impact. Because of this scandal, affected officials face a lot greater scrutiny over their personal lives, right? More eyes are on their business and how they conduct themselves. More people are paying attention about how they speak and act around others. You might remember hearing about impeachment not too long ago. Not about Bill Clinton, but about Donald Trump. Trump was also impeached by the House, and like Clinton, they were both acquitted by the Senate, meaning they were both found not guilty, and they got to continue being our president. Trump was actually impeached on two different charges: abuse of power and obstruction of Congress. That means the House charged President Trump with using his power as president unfairly and getting in the way of Congress's attempt to investigate the situation. We'll be spending more time in class getting into the details of why Trump was impeached, but I want to leave you with this. Impeachment is quite rare. In fact, it's only happened 3 times in American history, and no president has ever been forcibly removed from office, because each time the Senate voted to acquit. So if you hear people talking about impeaching Trump to remove him from power, just remember that impeachment by the House, it doesn't really matter. It's a slap on the wrist. It's really up to the Senate to convict the president with a crime. Thank you for your attention. I can't wait to dive into this topic a bit more with the rest of our lesson. I'll see you next time.